Hi, Rex here from the Roaming Around Trees. Today we're at Couples Negril, and we're going to do a room tour of a garden view room. So let's go inside and take a look. Immediately you walk in, everything is light and fresh. Immediately to the right of the door you have the bathroom. It's got a single vanity, so one sink, but quite a long countertop to store everything you might need, as well as an extra shelf up above the full-length mirror on the wall there. Speaking of shelves, there's even more storage down below, so this room gives you plenty of opportunity to get everything off of the countertop and away where you want it. Shower area is quite large. You got a nice walk-in shower here. Louvers there that open to the outside actually to let the steam out. And that is a single rain head shower, no handheld on this one. And the same amenities that Couple provides to all of their rooms. So you've got shower gel and shampoo and conditioner mix there. Conditioner isn't very strong on that, so if you've got real thick hair that needs a lot of conditioner, you should probably bring your own. Oh, one thing we didn't see here on this side, in addition to the body lotion, is the hair dryer and outlets that are provided for you, so you don't need to bring a hair dryer. Okay, let's start heading back out. There is the closet right across from the bathroom. So you see you've got your iron and a set of robes that you can use while you're here. Of course, the bar for hanging all those clothes goes all the way across, but on this side you've got an in-room programmable safe that has plenty of storage here. You can easily fit a large screen laptop in there and protect everything while you stay. Hook on the wall there to hang beach bags or hats, whatever you'd like. And then right here, this is essentially the drawers that they've got little baskets on the shelves here that you can put all of your clothing. So you've got 4 of those there to store everything that you brought with you. Moving on, here you can see the large television, the reusable water bottles. Those are their gift to you. So Couples gives those to you. You can fill those with water while you're on resort and always keep yourself hydrated. And this is where they hide the refrigerator mini bar. It comes already stocked, but there is a little pamphlet that you can fill out to request anything you want in here. So if you don't like what's in here, you can have it swapped out and they can keep refilling it with whatever you like while you're here. Down here's a little water station. The blue bottle there gets refilled every day. So you've always got water in your room, and housekeeping keeps that filled for you. There's a little seating area. We'll get to that beautiful view in a second. But you've got a large king size bed with a lovely memory foam pillow top on it. So you can guarantee that you're gonna have a beautiful night's sleep while you're here. We've really enjoyed the beds at Couples. Lamp, phone, all of the documentation and remotes for both the air conditioner and the television. Back behind here, we'll sneak in. There is a power outlet down here. One of the slots is being used up by the lamp, but another one is free. So you've got up to 2 if you want to sacrifice the lamp to keep other devices charged. And as you saw, those are North American style US type plugs. So if you're traveling from the US, you can use your own plugs with no adapters and everything will work fine. If you're coming from Europe or UK, anywhere else, you will need to bring adapters for those. And of course, there's that beautiful air conditioner that keeps the room cool, as well as hanging pegs for you to hang, again, any of your beach bags or hats or anything you need. On this side of the bed, You've got the alarm clock, of course. This is the coffee and tea station. So you can make coffee, tea for yourself in the room each day, enjoy it out on your balcony or in bed. And they will refill that each day if you use it up. More power outlets down here, but as you can see, it looks like they're using them all. So you're gonna have to play some a game here to figure out what you don't need in order to plug something else in on this side, whether it's the alarm clock, coffee maker, lamp, or other, which in this case, the other looks like it is probably the Wi-Fi router. So I don't think you're gonna wanna unplug that if you wanna stay connected. Okay, so let's take a look at that beautiful view. Again, this is a garden view room, so what you're overlooking is the trees and the property itself. You got a little hanging bar there to dry bathing suits or towels, as well as a couple of nice little lounge chairs that you can sit in to enjoy all of that beautiful view. But again, this particular room overlooks the property here. There's a water feature down there that you can see birds swimming in and that type of thing, but no beach view from here. But they do have rooms that will give you that as well if you want it. Okay, that is it. That's the garden view room. Hey.
Hi, Roaming family. If you're watching this video, I know you're trying to look at planning a trip to one of the couple's properties. There are 4 of them here in Jamaica, and I definitely recommend you do that. Give us a call, we can help you out. We've stayed at all the properties. We know exactly what to expect in the room categories and everything, so we are your couple's experts. So give us a call. The number is right here. Also, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single one of our videos. All right, well, thanks for watching. It's time to go hit lunch. Let's go.